Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you as how I prepare ghee at home. In India, it's a tradition or a ritual to prepare ghee out of homemade butter. People usually boil milk, collect cream and then churn it into butter and prepare ghee out of it. But when you start living outside India, it gets a bit difficult because on a daily basis we won't be boiling 2 liters or 3 liters of milk to collect the cream and then churn it into butter. And back 8 years back when I started living in Germany, I realized that it's better to make use of the good varieties of butter that we get in German supermarkets and finalized a good brand after experimenting on different butters that were available. And the one what I use is Kerrygold butter. If you can see, I think it's Irish fresh butter. Things that you should remember is that it should be an unsalted one and that you will be seeing it. And if you check the nutrition facts, you will see that the fat content is around 82,5. That means around 82%. We get the exact Indian taste of homemade ghee. So then I finalized on this after experimenting on many. So if you are living outside India, I would suggest you all to use this and prepare your own ghee at home instead of buying it from some supermarkets. So I will show you now as how I prepare ghee out of this butter. Before I go, I request you all to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin the process of preparing ghee. For that I have taken 2 packs of butter, each of 250 grams. So I have kept a pan here. Now we will open them and transfer. So I have transferred here around 500 grams of butter and we will allow it to melt. The butter has completely melted. I will tell you the exact time that I need to prepare ghee. Please ensure that you don't cook this butter on a high flame. Low to medium flame should be fine. Keep stirring in between. It is called Butterschmalz in German language. You actually can buy Butterschmalz, but preparing at home is inexpensive as well as better option. When I move this ghee like this, you can still see the milk solids here. They will all settle down in the bottom and you will see a transparent layer here and you can look through. At that point, ghee is actually done. So it is almost 6 minutes now. I will tell you again the time. If you see, the milk solids are still visible, the white dots what you see. So we need to continue cooking on a low to medium flame further. Easy way to identify when the ghee is done is to check for the transparency here, as well as we can check the spoon. It will be almost brownish, slight golden brown with dots, so you can understand that the ghee is almost ready. So it has been around 28 to 30 minutes. I have only stirred in between. It's not necessary that you have to stand here and keep stirring or something like that. You just stir in between so that the bottom doesn't burn. And if you observe now, it has started getting transparent slowly. So another 2-3 minutes and I think it would be done. But always keep in mind to do it on a low to medium flame. That is very important, or else you will be burning the ghee. If you do with this low to medium flame, you will get the honey colored ghee, which is actually the right color. And now you will observe the light brown dots. In a matter of 2 minutes, this should be done. So the total amount of time that I have taken is around 30 minutes for 500 grams of butter. Now I will measure and tell you as how much ghee is prepared out of 500 grams of butter. We need to filter this ghee after cooking because there will still be some milk solids that would be there. You can clearly see the bottom. There are only transparent bubbles. All the milk solid has settled down and the color is also changing. So this is the right time to remove it. If you check, the milk solid color is now brown. So I will be switching it off. So exact 30 to 32 minutes I have taken. The milk solids will further cook in the hot ghee after removing from the flame. So we should be removing a bit earlier so that later it gets cooked and the color changes to brown like this. If you remove at this point of time, then it will further cook and turn black. That's why I removed it a bit earlier. And now we will filter it. So the milk solids remain here and the clear homemade ghee is ready. The bottle weighs around 300 grams and now I see around 700 grams in total. That means we got around 400 grams of ghee from 500 grams of butter that I have used.